name is August, and I'm going to be presenting hands-on equations. So hands-on equations is a work that we use to do math problems where there's a value that we don't know it. So the mat is based on like a scale because everything has to be balanced, and our pawns, or x's, is the unknown number, and then we use our number cubes for just like whole numbers, just like normal numbers. Okay, so in this problem we have 4x plus 2x. So I'm going to set that out on one side. And then this equals in the equation kind of means it's the center of the scale. And then on the other side we have 2x plus 20, so I'm going to use two 10 number cubes to represent that. So then there's a set of steps that we can use to determine what x is. So we can take one x from each side and just cancel them out. So we can do it once, and there's more here, so we can do it twice. And now see, I can't do it anymore because there's none over here. There's still some over here, but there's none over here. So we have 4 unknown numbers that equal up to 20. We know that 5 times 4 equals 20, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 10, 20. So then our x would be 5. And then to do our check, we go back to the original problem. It's important to do our check because otherwise we're not 100% sure if it's correct, because sometimes the x, you'll find an x, but then the check doesn't add up just because you found the x. Sometimes it's a different number, but it still works at the point that you were at. So we set up the original problem, and then still knowing that each one of these pawns is 5, we do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have 30 over here, 5, 10, 20, 30. So our check is 30 and 30. And so that's how you do hands-on equations. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.